What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got some more FRS content. Today we're gonna go help Deangelo mount some new wheels. He doesn't have a lot of space in his FRS, so I got a hatchback, so I'm gonna go help him. How about that? So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I just pulled up D's place. I gotta go up to help him because he has 4 tires and 4 boxes of wheels we have to bring down. So I'm not gonna bring the camera, I'm just gonna leave it in here. So I'm gonna bring it there, and then I don't know what tire shop we're going to, so we're gonna figure that out whenever we get up there, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, so we just got all the wheels downstairs, the wheels and the tires. So we gotta figure out how we're gonna divide and conquer. I got a lot of space in mine. I got my 2 back seats down, and I got a little bit of trunk space. So I'm gonna try to fit as much as I can. I can probably fit 4 boxes of wheels in my car, to be completely honest. I'm gonna see. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become... So I was able to fit all the wheels in my car in the boxes, so Deangelo's gonna carry all 4 of the tires. I still got a little bit more space, so if we need to use my car for the tires, we can. There it is. So we set 2 in the front, and then the other 2 about to go in the trunk. All right, so we just got to the tire place. Deangelo is Terry's Tires on Main Street. So he's about to get his tires mounted. We got to take them all out of the car. See, I got 4. I got 2 right here and 2 over there. I'm surprised I was able to fit 4 boxes. I was not expecting that. The boxes seem a lot bigger when we were in the apartment, but they're actually not. All the tires out, all the wheels are out, so we just gotta get them mounted. All right, so we just got rid of D's house. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, and then whenever the tire people call, we're gonna go back and pick up the wheels, and so that should be around an hour or so. All right, so I can't take my camera out in the rain because it's a G7X and they're not like sealed, but the tires, the wheels are done. They got mounted onto the tires, so we're gonna see if we can fit them all in D's car. If not, I'll have to take a couple and take them, but if not, they should all be able to go. So then I'll update you when we get the wheels in the car. How to set up. So we got 1 wheel right here, and then 1 right there, 1 right there, and then the other one's just gonna go on the front seat. So yeah, he was able to fit them in there. I'm probably gonna do some stuff later on today, so I'll continue the vlog. If not, I'll close it out later.
Here's how comfortable vlogging now. There you go.
Hey, look, it's you. Now.
Hey. Alright, so Sam and Darius are now here. Sam, Darius. And we're about to take the wheels downstairs and put it in on the whole car. I'll show you guys us putting it on and then the finished product.
So they're attempting to bring these wheels, tires down from the 4th floor. Really? That's rude.
So it's day 2 of the wheel and tire install and mount. We got Nikki's car right here. We just rolled down the wheels all the way down the stairs that you already saw. So we're gonna get started. We gotta jack up the car. We're gonna do one side of the tank. So we're gonna jack these. You don't have jack stands, right? Alright, yeah, so we're just gonna jack the car from the side directly in the center and just do both wheels at the same time. So we'll see how that goes. Since this is her car, we're gonna have her do some of the work because I don't got time for that. We're doing just the wheel mounting itself.
Let's have a bit of fun.
That bit definitely just popped a little bit with stock is on it.
Feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Ivy, can you bring me that, please?
Look, give it him.
Put your hand.
Ivy, have it. Thank you. All right, so we got this first side on. I just gotta tighten them up, and these tighten in the back.
Maybe can you pull them up?
But it's looking good. Complete the set. Just like these. You get the same specs with the same tire. All right, so we're putting the car on the ground for the first time. Looks pretty good. All right, so now we got to do the second side. D's gonna record this so you can see it on his channel. I'll put the link in the description of his channel because he hasn't created it yet. So whenever we get to that point, I'll let you know. All right, supposedly he already has a channel. It's called Deangelo Ford, D-E-L-O Ford. So I'll stick the link in the description just in case that's not the case. But yeah, so. As you can see, we got all 4 wheels on from the roller that I just gave to you guys. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Yep, so enough. Yep. But it looked good rolling. I don't know what I got the engine open. Yeah, the supercharger right there. Go ahead, put that supercharger. Go ahead, throw that supercharge on that. But they probably gonna have to get stiffer spring rates because it's got a lot of travel. But other than that, it's pretty good. And that's gonna do it for this video. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.